Onto a live look at the state capitol. Right now, the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services and its deputy director are facing a lawsuit over claims of sexual harassment. And it's not the first lawsuit making these kinds of claims against the deputy director.
Let's go now to our Gulston Dart with more on the lawsuit. Gulston?
Well, first up, that complaint was submitted today at the Superior Court in Sacramento County against Cal OES and its deputy director. His name is Ryan Burris. Now, the complaint alleges sexual harassment, discrimination, a hostile work environment, failure to prevent harassment and discrimination, and retaliation. Now, the documents name Kendra Bauer, who worked for Cal OES from 2018 to 2021 as a victim of sexual harassment, with Burris making advances towards her. The lawsuit claims that this happened in Sacramento and while being deployed to different parts of the state. Text messages and phone calls were also included in the filing. The attorneys who are representing Kendra say that they want to make sure that evidence of a government agency or their employee are not kept from the public. Court documents say that once sexual harassment complaints were made, Kendra was sent to the workers' compensation system, which they believe was made to keep the case private.
We're deeply concerned that there's other victims out there that are afraid to come forward. The retaliation against people who do come forward has been a culture at Cal OES. They've seen it happen to Mr. Larson. They've seen it happen to Kendra.
Well, Ryan Burris was appointed as Deputy Director for Recovery Operations in 2019 by the governor. We did reach out to Cal OES today about the matter. They told us that while they do not comment on active litigation, as of noontime today, they had not formally been served with the lawsuit, and also added that sexual harassment is not tolerated and they mandate sexual harassment prevention training for all workers there. Edie.
So, Gulston, this is not the only lawsuit that Cal OES and Burris are facing.
That's right. And there's another lawsuit that was filed in 2021. That one's now pending. The same attorneys are also representing another person. His name is Steve Larson, another former employee at Cal OES who alleges retaliation from the agency for bringing up complaints from other women who said that they were sexually harassed by Burris. Guys.
Gulston, thank you.